Hello everyone, welcome to Wodely video demo.
Today, I'm going to show you how to manage the tasks on the admin dashboard. Wodely is a cloud-based software suite for last-mile logistics management. Today we'll be giving you an overview on how to get started running your business operations on the admin dashboard. Then we'll talk how to create tasks, how to assign tasks to your drivers. Right now, we are on the admin dashboard, also called Dispatcher Web Portal. On the left-hand side, you'll find the navigation menu. From here, you can manage tasks in either table view or map view, oversee team members, driver rosters and work schedules, and create merchants, contacts, and products. You can also manage vehicles and conduct safety inspections. In addition, the portal includes a customer invoicing module that allows you to generate invoices and bill your customers directly. We provide a wide range of extensions and add-ons, including pricing and service templates, geofencing, task auto-assignment, and more. They are free to use. These extensions allow you to tailor Wodely to fit the unique needs of your business. Click on the Dark Theme button at the bottom to enable or disable the dark mode on your admin dashboard. Click on the hamburger icon at the top left corner to narrow the navigation menu. Let's begin with the map page. This map view provides a geospatial overview of your entire business operations. Each pin on the map represents a task, such as a pickup, drop-off, or field service job. You can zoom and pan the map using your mouse and keyboard. In addition, you can see the live locations of your online drivers directly on the map, giving you real-time visibility into your fleet and task progress. We use color to indicate task status. The gray color pin means unassigned tasks. Any tasks that are blue are currently assigned to drivers. Green pin marker indicates a successful completion. If driver fails to complete a task for whatever reason, it will appear red color. At the top of the page, you'll find options to filter the tasks displayed on the map. For instance, you can filter tasks by delivery date and time. Additional filters allow you to refine tasks by status, type, team, driver, merchant, and more. You can also filter tasks by typing a keyword into the search field. On the right-hand side, you'll find the sidebar, which displays all active tasks grouped by status: unassigned, assigned, and completed. By switching to the Drivers tab, you can view each driver in your roster. Selecting a driver allows you to see their assigned tasks and delivery route directly on the map. There are a few ways to create new tasks. Click on the plus icon on the top right corner. You can add tasks one by one. For high-volume operations, tasks can be imported in bulk using a spreadsheet or CSV file. Let's walk through how to create a single task using the task form. When creating a new task, start by selecting a task type such as delivery, pickup. You can enter an order number or invoice number in the external ID field. You may also add a description or notes about the task. Be sure to provide the destination address, along with the recipient's contact details. If you have already been uploaded the contact list, you can simply type a keyword to search for a contact and automatically populate their details. Additional optional settings are available, such as defining a delivery time window. You can also configure mandatory proof of delivery requirements. By enabling this option, drivers will be required to capture photos, signatures, notes, or barcodes as proof of delivery. On the Items tab, you can add package or product list to a task. If the task is created through an integration with your e-commerce platform, such as WooCommerce or Shopify, the product list will automatically sync from your website into Wodely. On the Attachments tab, you can upload photos or PDF documents to a specific task. Certain attachments can also be made visible to drivers in the Driver app. For example, if a shop requires a third-party collection authority document when goods are picked up by a courier, you can attach the PDF to the pickup task, and drivers will be able to access it directly from the Driver app. To edit a task, select a pin on the map and click the Edit Task button. Alternatively, double-click the task in the sidebar to edit task. You can then update details such as the recipient's contact information, destination address, and delivery time window. To select multiple unassigned tasks on the map for bulk updates or assignments, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard, then drag across the map to highlight multiple pin markers. The selected tasks will appear in red. You can also press and hold the Control key and left-click a marker to add or remove an individual task from your selection. Alternatively, use the checkboxes in the sidebar to select or unselect tasks. Once tasks are selected, the available options and action buttons will appear at the top of the page. You can bulk assign selected tasks to a driver in two ways. Using Notify will send an alert to the driver, allowing them to accept or decline the new task. Using Assign will directly force assign the task to the driver without requiring confirmation. In the Auto Assign tab, you can let the system automatically select the most suitable or closest driver to handle the new tasks. Additionally, you can perform bulk updates on the selected tasks. For scheduled deliveries, you can take advantage of the route optimization and auto allocation features. By clicking the Create Route button, the system will generate multiple optimized routes and assign them to your drivers in a single step. First, enter or select the route start location, typically your warehouse or dispatch hub. This marks the point where drivers begin their delivery route. You may also specify a route end location. If the start and end locations are the same, the route will form a loop. Alternatively, you can leave the end location blank by selecting No End Location or Anywhere. Next, set the route start date and time. This can be scheduled for any point in the future. The system will use this start time to calculate the ETA for each task along the route. You can set a due time for each job. The system will try to optimize the route so deliveries meet their required time windows. Dispatchers can add multiple planned breaks, such as lunch or coffee breaks, into the route. These breaks are factored into ETA calculations to give a more accurate and realistic delivery schedule. You can define the capacity value for each task, as well as the vehicle capacity of each driver. Route optimization will ensure assigned tasks do not exceed a driver's capacity. For the skill match, some tasks may require special skills or equipment, such as refrigerated vehicles or dangerous goods license. This ensures every task is handled by the right team member. Lastly, you can allocate tasks in two ways. By quantity means each selected driver is assigned a specific number of tasks. Alternatively, if drivers are paid hourly, you can set a total number of hours for each driver to determine task allocation. Once you're ready, hit Optimize Route and allocate tasks to finalize. In just a few seconds, Wodely generates the most efficient routes. Here you can see two optimized routes assigned to two different drivers. To view an individual driver's route, click on their profile. You can also manually adjust routes by dragging tasks to reorder them. After rearranging, click Recalculate ETA to update the schedule. At the top toolbar, you'll find important route details such as driver name, total distance, and required time for completion. You can also re-optimize the route, recalculate ETAs. Hover over on the More menu, you can print run sheets, shipping labels, and delivery documents. One of the key features is the ability to send bulk ETAs to customers via email or SMS. This can be done easily using the predefined message template. Additionally, if another team member needs to take over, you can transfer all assigned tasks from one driver to another. Finally, you can unload all assigned tasks, returning them to an unassigned status. The planned route is displayed as blue directional lines on the map. As drivers begin completing tasks, their progress will be visible. When location history option is enabled, the actual path traveled appears in red, allowing you to monitor whether drivers are following the planned route to complete jobs. If your business handles a large number of daily deliveries, we highly recommend enabling geofencing zones. You can create multiple delivery zones on the map and assign drivers to specific areas. During route optimization, you can quickly select all tasks within a selected zone, and then optimize and allocate tasks to the designated drivers for that zone. You can also enable and display traffic on the map, or switch to satellite view on the map. Click the gear icon to access additional customization options and settings. From here, you can adjust the map color scheme and marker icon size. There are a wide range of map display options are available for configuration. On the Hubs tab, you can create custom location markers such as warehouses or merchant stores. These hubs will also be visible to drivers in their driver app. On the Documents tab, you can configure document settings, including driver run sheets, picking slips, delivery dockets, and shipping labels. That's the overview of the map page. When you have a large number of tasks to manage, the table view makes it simpler to handle them. Now let's move on to the task table page. Tasks are presented as rows in a flexible table format that features sorting, filtering, grouping, and bulk actions. Additionally, you can download all your tasks to spreadsheet or PDF documents. At the top, you'll find several tabs. The Active Tasks tab displays all active tasks, including unassigned, assigned, and failed tasks. The Completed tab shows historical tasks, which require selecting a date range to view. All failed tasks are listed under the failed status. The New tab displays all newly created tasks that have not yet been attended to. The Cancel tab shows recently deleted tasks. These can be reinstated within 7 days of deletion. Finally, the Search tab allows you to find tasks by keyword or specific conditions, making it easy to locate tasks quickly. If you're unsure about task statuses, refer to the user guide to view the flowchart of status changes. On the task table, enter any keyword to quickly search and filter tasks in the table. You can also refine your search using the column filters. To sort tasks by a specific column, click the column header. Tasks will be sorted alphabetically in either ascending or descending order. Click the destination address to view a task. Use the Edit button on the right to edit the task. Click any record in the driver column to reassign a specific task. Click the Status column to manually update the task status. You can use checkboxes to select multiple tasks for bulk updates or assignments. Press and hold the Shift key while ticking the checkboxes. It will select all tasks from start to end. Once selected, options at the top will allow you to assign tasks to drivers, bulk edit, bulk delete, or print shipping labels and delivery dockets. The table view can be customized by clicking on the Gear Setting button. From this section, you can add or remove columns displayed in the table. You can also reorder columns by dragging and dropping them within the column list. Additional settings are available to control responsive display, pagination, and column filters. There is an useful feature allows you to group rows by a specific column. For example, grouping records by delivery date. One more thing. When your screen is too small, the system will auto-hide less important columns by default. If you'd prefer to see everything, switch to the Show Horizontal Scroll Bar option. This way, all selected columns remain visible, and you can scroll right to access more details. On the top right, you can filter tasks by date and time, or refine them by status, type, team, driver, or merchant. And that's it. We covered some basic features of the dispatcher and management dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on using Wodely to streamline your delivery operations. Thanks for watching.